Sulaym once dispatched her son Anas ibn Malik for an errand. On the way, he met the Prophet ﷺ, and the Prophet ordered him to do something and told him not to tell a soul about it. So when he went back, he was late. So his mother said, "Where have you been?" He said, "I was in an errand to the Prophet ﷺ." So she said, "What did you do?" He said, "Mother, it is a secret of the Prophet ﷺ." She didn't beat him up. She didn't tell him or force him or interrogate him until he confessed. She said to him, "Son, never tell a soul about the secret of the Prophet ﷺ." This is how we should upbring our children and teach them. And this is what we have failed in miserably. And this is why we have people that are not trustworthy. They do not stand by the rules.